Welcome back to my channel, and for all of you new people, welcome. My name's Diana Quintos, and today we are going to be doing a little fall haul, fall/holiday collection haul. Small collection, so it won't be too long. I am very picky with the things that are limited edition, so we won't have too much to cover. These are both from Ulta and from Sephora, so I'll start with all the things from Ulta first. I stocked up on lashes. They had a little sale, so I got like the multi-packs. So the Ardell, these are the Glamour, it's like a variety pack. So it has 4 different types of lashes. I'll throw that one in my kit. The Wispies, which I love to use on brides because it gives it like a good full lash, but also doesn't look crazy when they turn to the side and they have like big old wings or something. So I love these. Definitely a staple in my kit. I have only used these Kiss lashes one time. A client really wanted to use her pair, and I liked that the band on them were really thin, so I was able to get it really close. So I decided to just do some of these as well. There's 5 pairs, and the lash is called Flirty in Kiss. Also in the Kiss lashes, I got the individual ones. It's like a trio lash, so there comes with like 3 little knots inside. But I like these kind because they usually lay a little bit more flat as opposed to the ones with just 1 knot. That kind of twist and turn if you're putting them on top of lashes after mascara has already been applied. If you wanted to, you can add these to your own lashes to get a more customized look. I also did end up getting the Ardell, the double up individual lashes as well, but these are the short ones. I like these for in here, like right in the inner corners, if you're gonna do lashes that are just individual, because you need some shorter ones. If not, it's gonna look weird if you have really big ones all the way through, and you might as well use a strip at that point. I got a couple things from NYX. They're Worth the Hype mascara. Also, just a refill on my HD concealer. But the mascara, I tried it, it would not come off. So it's a good thing for brides. It's just kind of annoying to take it off at the end of the day. I also got these magnetic lashes. I tried them on already. It's a no. So they come with a curved band here, but when you apply it, I think like the curve is like this, but not like, you can't get it really close in the corner if you don't have enough lashes. So that's really annoying. So these are a no-go. Don't buy them, just get strip lashes. I got the Nyx Matte Spray. I've actually never used this, but one of the girls that I really love to follow, Makeup by Aloe, uses this to set her eyes so that nothing transfers. So I'm gonna give it a try just for the eyes. That's it for Ulta. Moving on to Sephora. I got the Natasha Denona Star Palette. It's like a mini one. Her regular eyeshadow palettes are, I believe, $125, but I got this one because the colors are so pretty. Like, this one is like a blue brown, a neutral. This one is like a shimmery light pink, brown, and this golden. Like, look at that. These two were like what sold me. Like, so pretty. So pretty. This actually retails for $25, so it's not bad, and it's kind of perfect for traveling because it is so tiny. Like, so tiny. It's super, super pigmented. Like, I just touched it one time and we got like all that color. I'm really excited to use that. I also ended up getting this Stila All That Shimmers set. When I bought it, I didn't realize they were going to come out with a 6-piece set for $45, and this set was $25. I'm still happy with it. It's a deluxe size, so it comes with 3 different colors. It's a liquid eyeshadow. The 3 colors are Starlight, Kitten, and Vivid Smoky Quartz. Starlight is the lightest one. It just glides on really nicely. It's so creamy. That one's Kitten. I thought Kitten would be lighter, actually, from the swatches online. Oops, I messed up on that one. but this one is the Vivid Smoky Quartz. So, Starlight Kitten Vivid Smoky Quartz. That's gorgeous. I could totally see me using that all over the lid, or if I'm gonna do like a little halo eye, like that's gonna be really good. The last thing that I got that I was dying to get, I am so excited about this, but it is the Kat Von D Fetish Palette. Like, oh, look at how beautiful. Like, I am so excited to use this yellow, this teal color, the reds, like beautiful. There's 13 matte shades. I'll put the names of them. These are beautiful. I love her mattes because they blend in so nicely. Like, I don't feel like I have to struggle with them at all. They like are so creamy, but there's like 13 mattes. There is, I think, like 10 shimmers and 2 glitters. So these 2 are like the glitters here. But that black up here has like a purple glitter in it. Like, you guys, like, I am so excited. That was one of the purchases I like had to make. As soon as I saw it online, I follow this girl Trend Mood, and she posts everything that's coming out for the next couple of weeks, and I was like, I gotta get that. I was just waiting for the day, and as soon as it launched, I was like, bye. You know, like, I just think that she makes really great quality things, and I cannot wait to play with this. So definitely stay tuned for some new looks with this palette. Another thing that I really like is how slim it is. Like, I have a little holder for all my palettes, and it's gonna fit perfectly in there. I'll swatch a couple of them. We'll do like primary colors. We'll do 3 colors here. The yellow one, the red, and the teal one that I really was excited about. Can you guys do this thing? That's the, I did my swatches backwards, so this is the only way you guys can see everything. But they're so pretty. I'll probably do a really good look with them tomorrow. I think that's it. It's a small haul, but I'm really excited about the few things that I did get, and I can't wait to create some new looks with them. I'm currently almost to 100 subscribers, so if you haven't, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll be doing a little giveaway as soon as that hits. So stay tuned, leave a comment down below. Let's do hashtag road to 1,000. And if you want to be entered into the giveaway, it's only for US people, because that's the only place I can ship it out to now. But I'll be putting a little bag of goodies together. And yeah, make sure that you are following me on Instagram. If you're not, my Instagram is Diana X Quintos, just like my YouTube. So make sure you follow me on there. I will check both. Leave a comment down below so you're entered for the giveaway. And I will see you in the next one.